If a sheet contains a logical arrangement of functions, then it will have a natural outline. Let's have a look at this sheet called Sales and the functions inside of it. If you go to your Formulas tab in the ribbon, you have a button Show Formulas. And if you show formulas, you'll see where the formulas reside on this sheet. I can see I have a series of sum functions in row 7, which is my total cars. I also have a series of sum functions in row 12, which is my total trucks. And if I hit my zoom, just to zoom out a bit, I can see I've also got a series of sum functions in column F for my first quarter and also in column J for my second quarter. And I might turn my show formulas off. So I have a logical structure, outline structure, based on the sum functions. Because of this, I can click in the data, I can go to the data tab in the ribbon, and I can hit the drop down on the group button, and I can choose auto outline. And what Excel will do is it'll automatically outline this spreadsheet based on the logic of those sum functions. I now in my left margin have the ability to hit two minuses or a 1 and a 2 to collapse down to the total cars and total trucks, or expand my total cars and trucks. But going across the top of my column headings, I also have the ability to collapse my first and second quarter and expand my first and second quarter. So you can create an outline automatically if there's a logical and intuitive arrangement of functions. You can also easily sit in the list, hit the drop down on the Ungroup button and clear that outline. Sometimes we want to create our own outline, and that's what I want to do next. I want to select rows 4, 5 and 6 and group those rows just to show you how you would create your own outline. With those 3 rows selected, I'll click the Group button on my Data tab in the ribbon. And now you can see I can collapse and expand the detail regarding cars. If I select rows 9, 10 and 11, I want to group those as well, and because I want to speed up the process, I'm going to press the function key F4. F4 is repeat. That key unfortunately has been taken by my recording software, but you should be able to press F4 and that will repeat that action. I'm going to hit Group. I'm now going to select columns C, D and E, and you can press the function key F4 or click the button Group, and now I've grouped those columns. I'd also like to select columns G, H and I, and again press F4 if you can, or Group. Now that I've manually grouped my columns, I can collapse my first quarter, collapse my second quarter, or expand both. I can collapse my cars, collapse my trucks, or expand both. Really handy to be able to expand and collapse the amount of detail you see in a spreadsheet for the different readers of that information, and to be able to print it out in a variety of different ways.